हे एवरीवन, वेलकम टू माय चैनल। तो टुडे मैं आपके साथ डिस्कस करूँगी साइकोलॉजी सेक्शन, जो कि एग्ज़ाम हुआ था 8 जून को HPTET नॉन मेडिकल का। तो उसमें जो क्वेश्चन पूछे गए थे साइकोलॉजी सेक्शन में, उनको मैं लेके आई हूँ आज। सो द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज़ द कंसेप्ट ऑफ रेडीनेस इन एजुकेशन रेफर्स टू। शिक्षा में तैयारी की अवधारणा का क्या तात्पर्य है? So the right answer is option A, a student's ability to learn specific content. विशिष्ट सामग्री सीखने की छात्र की क्षमता। Next question is, which of the following best describe learning by doing approach? So the right answer is option A, constructivism. Question number 3 is, what is the main focus of a constructivist classroom? So the right answer is option B, स्टूडेंट सेंटर लर्निंग। निर्माणवादी कक्षा का मुख्य ध्यान क्या है? छात्र केंद्रित अधिगम, स्टूडेंट सेंटर लर्निंग जिसे हम बोलते हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 इज़, इन द कॉन्टेक्स्ट ऑफ असेसमेंट व्हाट डज रूब्रिक रेफर टू? सो द राइट आंसर इज ऑप्शन बी, अ सेट ऑफ गाइडलाइंस फॉर स्कोरिंग स्टूडेंट वर्क। Question number 5 is, which of the following is an example of intrinsic motivation? So the right answer is option B, learning because of personal interest. Question number 6, which of the following is a principle of differentiated instruction? विभेदित निर्देश का सिद्धांत निम्नलिखित में से कौन सा है? सो द राइट आंसर इज ऑप्शन बी, व्यक्तिगत अधिगम आवश्यकताओं को पूरा करने के लिए निर्देश तैयार करना, टेलरिंग इंस्ट्रक्शन टू मीट द इंडिविजुअल लर्निंग नीड्स। Question number 7, according to Kohlberg, the highest stage of moral development is, so the right answer is option C, post conventional morality. कोहलबर्ग के अनुसार नैतिक विकास का उच्चतम चरण कौन सा है? सो इसका राइट आंसर है ऑप्शन सी, उत्तर परंपरागत नैतिकता। Question number 8 is, what is the primary goal of formative assessment? So the right answer is option B, to provide ongoing feedback during the learning process. Question number 9, what does holistic development in child psychology refer to? So the right answer is option B, developing all aspects of the child's personality including physical, emotional, social and cognitive. Next question is question number 10, what is the role of peer feedback in learning? So the right answer is option C, to enable students to learn from each other's perspectives. Question number 11, the concept of zone of proximal development emphasizes the importance of, so the right answer is option B, the role of social interaction in learning. Question number 12 is, which stage of Erickson's psychosocial development involved developing a sense of competence? So the right answer is option C, industry versus inferiority. Question number 13 is, in a constructivist classroom, the teacher's role is primarily to, so the right answer is option B, facilitate students' own understanding and knowledge construction. Question number 14, what is the significance of play in early childhood development? So the right answer is option B, it is essential for social, emotional and cognitive development. Question number 15 is, which teaching method is most consistent with Vygotsky social constructivist theory? So the right answer is option B, collaborating learning. Question number 16, which learning style involves learning through physical activity? So the right answer is option C, kinesthetic. कौन सा अधिगम शैली शारीरिक गतिविधि के माध्यम से सीखने में शामिल है? सो द राइट आंसर ऑप्शन सी, kinesthetic. Question number 17, what is the primary purpose of summative assessment? So the right answer is option B, to measure student learning at the end of an instructional period. Question number 18, according to Bandura, which factor plays a crucial role in social learning? So the right answer is option B, observation and imitation. In the context of classroom management, what does the term positive discipline refer to? So the right answer is option B, using rewards to encourage good behavior. Question number 20, which instructional strategy involves student teaching each other? So the right answer is option A, peer tutoring. Question number 21, which stage of Piaget cognitive development theory involves children understanding conservation? So the right answer is option C, concrete operational. Question number 22. Which of the following is the best description of scaffolding in education? So the right answer is option B, offering support that is gradually removed as student becomes more competent. Question number 23. According to Jean Piaget, which stage of cognitive development is characterized by the ability to think logically about concrete events? So the right answer is option C, concrete operational. Question number 24. In Vygotsky theory, the term zone or proximal development refers to. So the right answer is option A, the difference between what a learner can do without help and what they can do with. Question number 25. Which of the following is a key principle of child-centered education? So the right answer is option C. Children should be active participants in their own learning. Question number 26. What is the primary purpose of formative assessment in the classroom? So the right answer is option B, to diagnose learning difficulties and adjust teaching accordingly. Question number 27. Which psychologist is best known for the theory of multiple intelligence? So the right answer is option B, Howard Gardner. Question number 28. Which of the following strategies is most effective for developing critical thinking in student? So the right answer is option B, group discussion. Question number 29. According to Erikson, the primary development task of adolescence is. So the right answer is option C, developing a sense of identity. And the last question is, which type of reinforcement is most effective for maintaining long-term behavior change in students? So the right answer is option A, positive reinforcement. सो ये क्वेश्चन थे, इनके आंसर मैंने आपको बता दिए। अगर इसमें भी आपको लगता है कि कोई क्वेश्चन गलत है, किसी का मैंने आंसर गलत दिया हो, तो आप कमेंट कर सकते हो, मैं उसको ठीक कर दूँगी बाद में। सो थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग, थैंक यू, कीप लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब, थैंक यू।